Hello viewers, this is from the studio of Golden Eye Films Entertainment. We are here to make it clear to everybody that we are doing an audition. There's an audition that is ongoing. It is for the youth. We are doing this audition for the youth because we feel like they need to be trained. They need to come into this movie industry and make it work. Our old actors and actresses are tired of the movie industry, and for that matter, they are neglecting it. That is the main reason why we are here today, to revive the industry. And you can't revive the industry if you don't bring the youth on board. So with this audition, we want everybody, every young man or young girl out there to take an opportunity and then come to do this audition. It is a great opportunity for all the youth because there are a lot of them out there who have no jobs. They have no hand job and are home doing nothing. This is an opportunity for you to come and start learning something, especially the entertainment industry. This is where you can come and have a 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks training, and you are able to be part of the movie industry. So all the youth out there, rush to Golden Eye Films Entertainment and then pick forms to register. Now, those who are picking the forms to register, these are guys that will be automatic members. When I say automatic members, it means that they are going to come for rehearsals every weekend. That is Sunday after church, around 3 to 3:30. And then those who are coming for the audition, you are also coming to be selected. The audition in particular is for the experienced ones and those who are now coming up. We are going to give opportunities to those who are now coming up, so that the experienced ones will teach the upcoming ones once they are on set. If you go to Nigeria today, most of the guys there are doing this comedy. Most of the young guys are comedians. What happens in Nigeria is that they have a night called comedy night, and all these young guys, they come up and do comedy and make a lot of money. But today in Ghana, what are we having? The entertainment industry is dead, and the youth that are supposed to benefit from this industry their hopes are dust. That is the more reason why we want to create this opportunity for the youth to be able to at least have something doing. So everybody should rush to Golden Eye Films Entertainment, either personally or through our messages. You can send us a message, you can give us what you want to do over here, and we will reply you. Already we've received a lot of messages from the youth out there, from people who want to be part of this audition and those who want to be part of this project. We've received a lot of messages and we are so happy. They have recommended our hard work that we are doing here, and we are so happy about it. I also want to encourage the youth that this is not about qualification. This is not about certificate. This is about the will to work, the will to perform, the will to learn. When you are ready to learn, there's nothing on this earth that you can't do. So I want the youth to be ready to learn when you come in here. The forms, you get to our office, you pick a form, you register, and the audition is free. The audition that we are doing over here is free, unless people who want to be part of our acting workshop, where they will pick forms and register and be part of the acting workshop. And at the acting workshop, they will be trained how to do acting and other important things that is associated with the acting or the movie industry. That is the most important thing we want to do for the youth. So it is better for you to rush personally here and pick your forms, or you wait for the audition. The audition is coming on the 24th of October 2020, which is on Saturday. That is next 2 weeks, Saturday at 9:00 a.m. We're expecting a lot of people over here, so don't be left out. Be part of this project and you will never and never regret. Thank you, and this is from the studios of Golden Eye Films Entertainment. My name once again is Mr. Adams. I'm the CEO of Golden Eye Films Entertainment, and I want to thank everybody, including the crew members and our viewers out there who are watching us. Thank you.